Hi, my name is James Saper. I'm a practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine and an instructor in Qigong, Chenstao Tai Chi, Bagua, and Xingyi. And today I wanted to talk to you just a little bit about my course, The 5 Animal Qigong. This is also known as the 5 Animal Frolics or the 5 Animal Plays in Chinese and Mandarin. This is the Wu Qin Xi. So this is a traditional Qigong routine. It's very old and involves mimicking the movements of 5 different animals and adopting the characteristics within the routine so that we can develop these qualities within ourselves. So this is from the soft, sinuousy, spontaneous movement of the tiger, to the stable and aligned movements of the deer, to the light, agile movements of the monkey, to the rounded, stable, broad movements of the bear, and the extended, smooth movements of the crane. Within this course, we first start off with each class doing a warm-up Qigong routine, and then we look at the 5 animal plays. There is a simple version of the sequence which has 5 moves, 1 move for each animal. There's another variation, another version of this sequence, which has 5 moves for each of the different animals, so 25 moves. And within the course, we step by step explain the movements for both versions. In addition, as we go through the different movements and the different animals, we have a chance to talk about the different Qigong theories related to this sequence. So for example, with each animal, there's an associated tissue in the body, there's an associated state of being, and so we look at that. So as we learn the moves, we also get to understand this broader context that the 5 animals allows us to see. And then in addition, with each class, we also have a chance to practice a sitting meditation. So there's a sitting meditation practice to close each lesson. So this is everything that's included in the course. It makes for a nice, complete sort of practice in and of itself. The course itself is self-directed, which means that you can start it when you want. You can take the classes at a rate, at a schedule that works for you. So that's the course, and I hope you will join me. Thank you for watching. Take care.